Be wondering why is there a difference between integer and floats? Why can't a variable that records a number also accommodate both an integer and a float? Well, it's to do with the way that computers store information. The computer doesn't think like humans, we've got to think like the computer, so we have to specify when we're going to be using an integer versus when we're going to be using a float, and the machine tries to handle all that memory that relates to storing numbers and storing numbers that are floating points. And in addition to float, there's another version of storing a decimal number, which is double. And this is it just allocates more memory for the variable and for the number, which means that this variable can store even larger numbers than a regular float type. So we've changed my var to double equals 12.5. We can run it, and we'll see that it prints out 12.5.